Yeah, so yesterday we were speaking about a passage in one of my books, which is called The Life Audit. Basically, what that means is just taking a long, hard look at your life and just seeing why you're not achieving what you need to achieve, what's going wrong, bit of time management, that sort of stuff in there. Now, also this morning, we had a bit of fun with these jars because what we did was we took two quite large stones, we took a handful of sand and a handful of gravel, put some water in. I can promise you that we put the same stuff into each bottle. However, you'll notice it fits very neatly into this bottle, and there's a bit of a problem with this one. Okay, so if we think about, if we imagine that these jars are your life, okay, so the water represents the stuff you need to keep alive, breathing, eating, drinking, okay, so you need the water in there. The sand represents the absolute tedious, boring crap that you do every day, checking your Facebook, checking your emails, um, being distracted, going for a coffee, going to the toilet, coming back, trying to remember what you were doing before you went. That's the sand. The the gravel is stuff that you have to do that day, but it's not urgent. It's important, but not urgent. Now, the big stones are the two or three big things that you need to do each day. Okay, you don't want to do them. They're things that will move your life forward. One of my colleagues calls it eating the frog, but basically, these are the things you know you need to do. They're going to move your life forward. They're very, very important. They're very, very urgent, but you can't be bothered doing them. Okay, so if you think about this, what we've done here, we put the big stones in first. So what we did was we dealt with the two big stones. We dealt with the two most important things of the day. Then we dealt with the things, which is the gravel, that needed to be done, but they weren't. They were important, but not urgent. Then we threw the sand in if we had time, because that just wasted time anyway. We put the water in, and look, it all fitted in. What we did with this one, we came in at 9 o'clock in the morning. We fangled about with all this. We looked at our emails, we looked at our social media, we wasted time, we went for a coffee, we went to the toilet, couldn't be bothered coming back, went out for a walk, talked to the guy at the water cooler, talked to the guy at the coffee machine. We did all that. Then we thought we might have to do a little bit of something that might be important but not urgent. So we did all that, and we had a nice list, and we ticked all that off. We kept the water in to keep us alive, and guess what we did very last? These. So we did these last, and look, they don't fit into your day. How did that happen?